Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, HUD8, KR1, Ether Capital, eBank, Microstrategy, and Cryptology Asset Group. Okay, let's jump right into it. So Bitcoin right now at 49,200. So yeah, it seems like, or I thought it would drop again, but right now it looks very stable here. But yeah, it can go to the upside or to the downside. We don't know it exactly. It seems like the F2 pool outflows, they all with the exchanges together. They want to keep it below 50,000. We don't know exactly why, but on Friday there's the options expiry date, and it seems like a whale or more than one whale, they want to have it below 50,000 or so, because yeah, maybe this is the liquidation level there or something like this. So yeah, hopefully we can get above 50,000 to liquidate these shorts, if there are any shorts. I mean, this is right now speculation, but there was this YouTuber, which I posted yesterday on my Patreon with a great video about F2 pool and the big manipulation, what's happening there. Yeah, so this is happening right now. So every time the price goes above 50,000, the outflow of F2 pool rises. And I think the selling is increasing to push the price down. So this is very interesting. Maybe we can short squeeze these guys. Okay, so Bitcoin, yeah, 49,200. We will see where we go. Ethereum doing better today, 2%. Polkadot, $33. Hive Blockchain, 11%. HUD8, 17%. Bitfarms, 13%. Okay, there's Argo in Germany, 56%. In US, 48%. So this is really amazing. They have some news about the new listing there on OTC. I will talk about this in a few minutes. So this is crazy. Great for Argo Blockchain and for the shareholders. Then we have Riot right now, 5%, 16% Mara. Yeah, Galaxy Ether Capital today, 18% in green, very nice. So, and then I made two new investments here. First of all, in eBank. This is a hardware manufacturer here. Yeah, they diluted a lot, they diluted in the last few days, and yeah, they announced they want to do some self-mining. So I don't know a lot about this company, so this is right now a little bit speculation, but I think it could be nice to have a hardware manufacturer on the balance sheet, a little bit at least. And the chart looked, yeah, like a more than 50% drop here. So yeah, we will see whether this plays out or not. Then we have Microstrategy. This is my second investment today. Yeah, I think the stock dropped also like 50%. And there's this chart here. That's why I bought Microstrategy. You can see that Microstrategy sometimes overshoots Bitcoin like crazy. So this is the go-to stock. I think this was a little bit insane. We will not see this again. But now we are very close to the value of Bitcoin. So maybe we can get another hype for MicroStrategy, some Michael Saylor hype in the upcoming weeks, and we will outperform Bitcoin with this. This is going to be interesting, whether this plays out or not. Yeah, so these are two new investments, and then I have some cash on the balance sheet right now. So today I felt a little bit like a whale, and yesterday, because I bought the dip here with Argo, HUD, and Hive Blockchain. Not big, but it was really a good buy. And yeah, in the morning, the stocks were rising. I sold again a little bit. And yeah, I still have some cash on the sideline. So when it goes down, I will buy the dip again. So I feel now a lot better with this strategy, with these limit orders, because you don't get emotional. You set your limits in the morning. And yeah, then you can walk away. And yeah, maybe in the evening you have some new shares on your sheet or not. Okay, guys, so let's move on. So this is the MicroStrategy chart here compared to BTC, so they're very close together. I think this is a good opportunity right now. Then we have another chart from Econometrics here. Here is the bull run of 2013 here, and here we have this line is the bull run of 2017. So we are right now decoupled from the 2017 bull run, and we are now at the average between 2013 and 2017 bull run. So this line here would indicate that we could reach like 387,000 US dollars in May. I think this is too much. This will not happen. Maybe this one here in October, the 286,000 is possible. I don't know where Bitcoin is heading, but right now it looks very bullish here. Yeah, we will see whether we will follow this channel here. No one knows where Bitcoin is going. I don't know it. I mean, you know, my target is 200,000, but it can go higher, it can go lower. Please be always aware of this. Also, Bitcoin is very risky, so a lot of things can wrong. Also with the stocks we trade. So yeah, don't go all in. Yeah, I mean, you have to be aware of the risk. There's still some risk. You know, I'm very bullish on all the things, but sometimes I have to tell you this game is risky, and that's why you should not go 100% all in. That's very important. Okay, we have some news here from Hive Blockchain. So yesterday they told us they bought a lot of new miners, and today again 3,000 next generation miners, and they will be operational within 60 days to accelerate cash flow. So Hive really wants to expand right now. I mean, yeah, these are next generation miners, but when you see the 90 petahash here, this would mean like 30 terahash per miner. So this is not the latest generation. I mean, we have next generation, we have next generation, and we have next generation miners. And this one is a next generation miner. So maybe this is an inner silicon T30 or T32 or something like this. I expect something like this. So maybe they are used a little bit, but I really like this purchase here from Hive Blockchain, because they try everything to get the hash rate up right now. I mean, we're in the bull run. You have no time to waste. You can use old miners right now, or not the newest miners, to generate a lot of cash right now, because we know the data right now. Also the old S9 miners from the 2017 bull run with 14 terahash per miner, they are still very profitable right now. So no matter what it takes, get the miners online and hash. This is very important right now, and Hive does it. So I really like this one. Also, they say they will increase GPU. It would be nice to get some data from Hive Blockchain about the right now the hash rate of the Ethereum mining operation. That would be very nice, because they have these 4 GB, 8 GB GPU upgrade and all these things. So it would be nice to have an upgrade here. Okay, let's move on. We have Argo Blockchain. Argo Blockchain commences trading on OTCQX market in the United States. So I'm not an expert on these OTC markets, but it seems like this is an upgrade. This is the next level. And this means more liquidity, more institutions. So we can see it, the price here, 50% today here, or 44% in US. So this is very bullish here. And yeah, I think the final boss is NASDAQ, so we're all waiting for the NASDAQ listing, so maybe this is the next step. Just speculation, nothing is disclosed here, but that would be great. Yes, and then we have Microsaylor today announced. Microstrategy bought again 19,452 bitcoins at one point with 1.026 billion US dollars. So I was expecting a little bit more, like 23,000 bitcoins. But the purchase price on average was 52,700 US dollars. But we can say he bought the dip, because you cannot buy 20,000 bitcoins at 46,000 all. So I calculated within these five days since the announcement, he bought every second like 2,336 US dollars in Bitcoin every second within these 5 days. So that were a lot of purchases here, I guess. These are pros. They know what they're doing. I love this. Okay, then I found some old purchase prices for me here for the first Argo Blockchain stocks I bought in August here. And you can see it was at 8.7 euro cents. So this is 10 US dollar cents. Yeah, and then there was a big drop here, like 40% to, or 40% to 5.8 euro cents. So this is 7 US dollar cents or something like this. So this is a 30% drop. You can see it. And what I did, I was buying. I was always buying here. And yeah, this is what I want to show you. I mean, a lot of people sold here when this dropped here, because that's why it dropped, when the people are selling, because they freaked out. The people were not believing in these stocks. They didn't understand the stock. They were impatient, and then they sold, and then they moved on to another stock, maybe to Tesla or Apple or something like this. So Argo Blockchain is right now at $4 or something like this. So the gains are huge here. But I don't think it's over. I mean, in 6 months or so, you will look back to the prices of today, to the $4. Maybe we are at $20, $30, or $40. I don't know where we're going. You will look back and say, wow, that was cheap in February. So it's always about understand the fundamentals, understand the value of a stock. You need to understand Bitcoin and all these things, and then you will make the right decisions. Because at that time, I saw this thing is crazy undervalued. When Bitcoin takes off, this stock will take off, and that's why I was buying here, or the dips. And then in December, I felt, yeah, we're just before the takeoff here, and then I made a lot of buys here. So yeah, that was very good. Let's move on. What do we have? We have the data here. So the Bitcoin mining profitability today at 39 cents per day per terahash. So this is it's very close to the high in 2021, or in this bull run. I think it was at 39 or 40 cents one day, a few days ago. But you can see the miners are making a lot of money. The fees, the transaction fees are very high. Like 20%, 25% here, with 195 Bitcoins per day here in transaction fees. In Ethereum, the fees are dropping a little bit, but they're still very high. So we're at 12 cents per day per mega hash. So that looks very good. Also, Zcash here is close to 6 cents per day per kilo hash, which is very good for Argo Blockchain. Okay, then I want to talk a little bit about the HUD-8 announcement, about this Validas corporation here, this energy corporation. I think there are a lot of opportunities. They made some Q&A, I cannot find it right now, but that was very interesting. I mean, first of all, they want to use these mobile containers to use stranded natural gas to generate bitcoins with this, I guess. To burn the gas in a motor and generate electricity, and then you have these miners there. You can generate bitcoins. I think that's what they want to do. But there are a lot of other opportunities. Like I was talking a few days ago here about control energy and all these things. Maybe you can stop your miners when the electricity price is very high, or you can sell your energy back to the grid. And yeah, that's really great. And I was thinking, I mean, it would be nice when a mining company has its own power plant, or like a joint venture with a energy IPP, independent power producer, or something like this, a joint venture, and maybe some renewables like wind or solar, and yeah, let's say a gas turbine, so a natural gas-fired power plant, or a CCGT or something like this. Yeah, I mean, the opportunities are big. I don't know the electricity market in Canada, for example, perfectly, but here in Germany, we sometimes have negative electricity prices. And if you have this power plant, let's say the price is very low, the electricity price in the grid is very low. So, I mean, it would make sense to shut off the power plant and to get all the energy of the grid for your miners. So when the electricity rises, you turn on your gas-fired power plant, or maybe the wind is going, or the solar, and you can generate your own electricity. So and when the price is when the price is of electricity, and when you have control energy, and yeah, there's a big demand in the grid for electricity, you can shut off the miners and you get paid for this. And yeah, you can turn on the power plant and feed the grid with your power plant, shut off the miners, and you can do the opposite. So you can make a lot of plays there if you have this portfolio of a power plant, the miners, and maybe some renewables. So I mean, this would be amazing. I have to think about this. I have to build a model or something like this. Because when you have a good electricity market there, with high volatility and the prices, and if you have a lot of renewables, you have this. I mean, you can make a lot of money with this. Not with 24/7 running the miners, but with intelligent, on and off, training your miners, and yeah, that would generate a lot of revenue. Maybe not that much Bitcoin, but you can generate a lot of cash to use it again to maybe buy Bitcoin or something like this, or to buy new miners or so. So you have to play these things with the grid, and I think that's what Hut8 wants to do right now. I know that Hive Blockchain is doing this in Sweden, so they do some control energy there. I don't know the other miners, maybe Argo Blockchain or Bitfarms, they're doing this too. I don't know, but I think this is the future for them. Not mine 24/7, so use these electricity peaks and lows in the price to generate Bitcoin or not, or to sell your electricity back to the grid, or increase the capacity from the grid and all these things. So this would be very nice. But I will wait a little bit. Maybe we get some more information soon from Sue, from Hut8. Would be very nice. Yes, guys. We're right now at 49,000 here Bitcoin, so it seems like we're dropping a little bit. Again, when we drop, I have my limit orders down here for the mining stocks here. So maybe I can buy some. If we rise, I'm happy. My portfolio will rise. I'm right now this week. I'm up. I'm down 8% this week. I mean, yesterday it was minus 21%, so I recovered very nice today. So I have some 3 or 4% cash here. I have Microstrategy here with 3%. I have eBank here with 3%. Yeah, and we will see where this is going. But a very interesting week. Maybe we will stay below 50,000 until Friday. Maybe we'll take off later. But nothing crazy, nothing special, I guess. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.